I'm Steve, and this is my latest project, the vending machine gun safe. So, looks like a regular gun safe. Open her up. And it's actually a pretty spacious gun safe, but pretty simple process. Make sure you wear gloves. I don't even know. I don't know what this is hanging on. Alright. Just get a blast of everything out. Oh, sorry, messing with the camera. But pretty simple process, just gotta gut it out, which was a little bit of a pain in the ass. Pretty cool. I'm excited. It's a lot heavier than it looks when you're taking all that stuff out. And all the weight is in the guts because this thing itself is pretty light. Pretty thick insulation. On top of the insulation, I added the fireboard, carpeted it, put in the custom shelving. This is plain wood, fully adjustable shelving. Added a safe to the top for a little small stuff, passports, money, whatever you want to hold in here. A little sign, plenty of room for, I don't know, 6 to 8 rifles comfortably. That's 4. There's 4 ARs right there. Yeah, pretty simple process. Definitely a cool party trick. I don't know how safe and secure it would be, but it's this kind of hiding in plain sight sort of idea. But if it were me, I'd bolt it to the floor. I'd add some extra security bolts on the outsides. But this thing is actually for sale, so if anybody wants it, let me know.